Palm Harbor Homes, your home.
Welcome to the Estate Farmhouse, 2,280 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This home has a beautiful open living area with tons of natural light. The first of 2 family rooms is adjacent to the amazing island kitchen, which has lots of storage and a built-in refrigerator space, as well as a dining area with immediate access to the beautiful back deck. The home has a hobby room with tons of built-in space. The second family room has lots of natural light and a built-in entertainment center. The master bedroom is simply stunning with a huge walk-in closet. The master bathroom has a standalone soaker tub and a separate shower with bench seat. This home is on display at our sales center in Plant City, Florida. We offer free factory tours Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Come visit the largest model center in the United States with over 20 models to view. See more on our website at www.plantcity.palmharbor.com or feel free to give us a call at 813-719-3335 to schedule a walkthrough of the Estate Farmhouse or any of our display models. We look forward to seeing you soon.